Hi, my name's Ian Van Tylen. We're currently at the Annapolis Boat Show, and this is a 2012 Jeanneau 57. This particular vessel has been painted champagne, the color, as you can see it here. Really nice, unique lines. They have custom Dodger and Bimini on this particular vessel. It has the teak cabin top and the tow rail, as you can see. The name of the vessel is Zamshi, and this is a client's vessel who allowed us to put it here in the boat show for display. As you can see here, we have the transom that folds down with the dinghy garage. It has the rollers here mounted onto the stern of the vessel. And then up inside of the vessel, we have the electric winch that pulls the dinghy up into it, and the air compressor that blows the dinghy, inflates and deflates. Also here on the transom, this is where the passerelle would be located. It has the door that closes up and then opens and allows the passerelle to come out. So this is an option typically found in Europe a lot, but on this particular vessel, his goal is to take it over to Europe, and I believe this is the option he chose. Coming up into the vessel, as you can see, we have a remarkably large cockpit here, dual helms, electric cabin top winches that are brought back, and then we have electric cabin top winches as well. And I'm just going to walk along the side decks here so you can just see how easy and effortless it is. We have really nice wide side decks. And the vessel just looks gorgeous with the canvas on it. This is a Sparcraft mast with in-mast furling. It is a triple spreader rig, so it has a really nice tall rig, in-mast furling, and jib furling as well. This particular version has the manual Fafnir furling system on it. And just a really nice profile here on the cabin top. Real sleek decks, really low profile, lots of windows and hatches that let a lot of natural light in the vessel. They actually took the cockpit cushions and put them down below, so it'll be a little filled with cockpit cushions, but you'll get a good idea of the beauty of the vessel here. But as you can see, lots of opening, hatches, portholes everywhere, letting a lot of that natural light in. We're walking through the vessel with no lights on whatsoever. This particular version is master aft with 3 cabins up forward. So you have a very large centerline bed. It's just decored beautifully. And then walking up forward, here to the starboard side, we have the guest cabin. Now this is a double berth up here, and then its own private head and shower with the electric flush toilet heads here, and a really nice shower, very nice faucets, as you can see. And it has a plexiglass door that actually closes, so it encapsulates the shower, so you keep the toilet and sink and everything on this side dry. Here is the center divider wall. Now this center divider wall actually comes apart and stows underneath the bed. And when this is actually stowed under the bed, there is a leaf down under here that folds up and locks into place in a filler cushion. And this actually becomes a queen-size bed. And let me get to the opposite side. This double bunk bed here folds down and creates a sofa, so it creates a really nice large second guest stateroom. Here on this particular version, you know, the way they have it set up is with the bunk beds, and then it has its own head and shower, and then just forward of this is a additional V-berth. Now you can use this V-berth as a sail locker. You have access to the top of the cabin, or you can, you know, depending on how many people you have in your party at the time, you can create this as another berth. Well, I hope you find this video helpful and informative, and if you have any questions in regards to the Jeanneau 57, please feel free to contact myself at any time, day or night. My name is Ian Van Tuyl, and my number is 619-507-4416. Thanks again, and I look forward to hearing from you.